Britain's motorists are switching to electric, and fast. But for some, distance journeys and charger anxiety are holding them back. With millions of Brits living in city flats and terraced houses, unable to charge on driveways, are we headed for problems as 2030 looms? Using the UK's 400,000 plus privately owned off-street chargers, the solution is already out there. Joosup aims to make home charging and distance journeys easy. Using the app, EV owners can book off-street charging from our hosts, whilst our hosts make an income in return. So now, you can make the switch to EV with confidence, knowing there's a charger ready and waiting however you travel. Joosup. Drive, park and charge your way.